because ice. Said you're traveling on the one after 909. Pick up the bags, run to the station. Railman says you got the wrong location. Pick up the bags, run right home, run right home. Then I find I got the number wrong. Well, said you're traveling on the one after 909. I said move over, honey, I'm traveling on that line. I said move over once, move over twice. Come on, baby, don't be cold as ice. Said you're traveling on the one after 909. That was supposed to be an instrumental here, isn't it?
Just talk amongst yourselves.
Pick up the bags, run to the station.